my channel, and I'm going to be doing what I eat in a day. And the first thing I'm going to have is going to be a breakfast. Now with the mod, I actually weigh my cheese and my healthy, extra B, my cheese and my sins, and that's all I do weigh. Free foods and everything I don't weigh. So first thing I'm going to have is Weetabix, because Weetabix Brisk is free on Cinnamon World, which is kind of up my alley. So I'm just going to put on 2 Weetabix, because 2 Weetabix is your healthy extra B, which is really good. Then I'm going to put 250 ml of milk into a bowl. Actually, I'm going to put it in a different thing. So with my milk, I'm going to put it into a tub like this. So if you can't see me that well, a tub like this. And then I'm going to put it on. I'm going to measure 250 ml. So this is my 250 ml milk in here. And I'm going to put this into my Weetabix. So I have about that much milk left, and I can use that for coffee or anything like that. And then that is my Weetabix. That is my breakfast time. Before I have this, I do need to take my tablet, but yeah, that is my breakfast. So I'll see you back here for lunch. So guys, we are back for lunch, and it is good. We have a drink of water, and we have chicken Caesar salad, and it's no sins because I made it all free, and the cheese I've kind of made healthy extra. Look at this chicken Caesar salad. I love it. Drink of water. Chicken Caesar salad. It is going to look so good. And it's going to taste phenomenal. But yeah, that is what I'm having for lunch. I'm going to be back for my dinner. Welcome back. It's my what I eat in a day. And I've actually made myself a cup of coffee. I'm going to show you it first. Basically, the the milk I had this morning, I didn't use it all because I knew I was going to use some of it for coffee. So I'm still using my 250 for my milk, but all my milk's used up. Yeah, my healthy extra A and healthy extra B are now used all up. So I had my milk and I had my cheese. The coffee I did have, which is free by the way, it's just coffee. It's just like flavoured coffee, that's all it is. So this is a Beanies flavoured instant coffee, dried with varieties. And I can see, I'm just adding that to Planet because I'm using that. And the flavour I have actually got is, I got these at Aldi. You can get these at Aldi. I saw loads of them. This is the Beanies maple fudge flavoured instant coffee. So this is it. This smells really good. It smells like maple fudge. I've got the coffee in here in my Bob Marley cup. That tastes like a maple fudge. It tastes really good. But yeah, I basically got some of these. I've got some more. Okay, so the flavoured coffee from Beanies dried is actually all free. So I've got the caramel popcorn, which is right here, and this smells like caramel popcorn. It smells really good. Then I've got a sweet cinnamon. Oh, I can't wait to use that on winter days. It's gonna be so nice. And then I've got cookie dough, and that smells really good. That smells like cookie dough. But yeah, all of these ones are free. So if you see any dried coffee that are flavoured, there should be all 3. The Beanies ones are definitely free. So if you see any Beanies lying around and they have cookie dough instant cookie flavour instant coffee, it is free. It is, if you're not doing Cinnamon World and you're doing normal, it is low calorie. It is 3 calories. With the mod, they're all free, so you can have as much of this coffee as you'd like. I like drinking coffee, it's so good. So today I'm filling up on water and I'm filling up on coffee. But yeah, that's what I've had for a drink. So I'll catch you for dinner and you can see what I'm having for dinner. So guys, what I'm having for dinner is burger and a bomb. It tastes really good. And this was perfection. The only thing I didn't have was tomatoes, but it's okay. I've got red onion, lettuce, gherkin, minced burger sauce, onion, garlic. So yeah, this is my dinner. And I'm going to enjoy this. So yeah, I'll catch you back if I've got anything else planned to eat today. Yeah, that is my... So I'm having a cup of coffee. And there it is. That is my gingerbread latte. And that is like a Costa one. But I did put it on there and it's 3.5 cents for the coffee. And I don't mind. I am upstairs now in my pyjamas. I brushed my teeth and washed my face. And that is all I'm going to be eating for the rest of the day. It is 6:46. And I've enjoyed eating Slim World so much. I feel a lot healthier in myself, you know what I mean? I feel really full. I don't feel like I need anything to eat now. I've had 2 cups of coffee. I've had lots of water. And yeah, I've enjoyed the food I'm having. So that is what I eat in a day. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give the video a big thumbs up. Please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.